Wave check. So right now I look bald, but it's okay because we're about to make me not look bald. Action.
Down with it. Are you down with it? Go ahead, get loud with it. Like you surround with it. Beautiful and faithful. On top of that faithful. Say yeah. Down with it. Are you down?
Hey Royals, it's your girl Queen Natural. If you couldn't tell, back with another video. So if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button below and you will officially become a Royal. Now to all my loyal Royals that are back, I hope all is good, like it should, could, would you get started? Yes, I am. So as you can see by the title, today's video, I'm going to be doing a slick Rick back look. This right here is the look that I'm going to be giving a tutorial on today. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look right here, then keep watching and we'll get straight to the video. First thing I'm going to do is take my rat tail comb and part it. I always do a side part just because I don't like how the middle part makes my forehead look. So right now I'm just gonna part it. I usually take my brush and I brush it like away from the part. But I just got back from a trip and I don't know where my brush is right now, so I ain't got time to look for it. So yeah, we're gonna take the slick brush and we're gonna use that. And we're basically just gonna pull your hair away from the part. Just brush it away from the part. Try to brush it in the way you want it to be slicked back. Because now we're going to take our Eco Styler gel and we're going to put it right on top, like right beside the part. And so I take about this much. I don't know if y'all can see. But I take about this much and I use this to make sure my part is separated. Once I have that, then I'll put some more on my actual like hair where I'm going to slick it back. I use a generous amount of gel just because I like my hair to be slick and looking good. As you can see, it's slick, no bumps, no humps, no sumps. Okay. So now I'm gonna go to the other side and do this. When I do this side, I do this side like straight. I don't do like a little swoop because when I do my edges, then I'll fix the swoop to how I want it. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy band right here. I usually use a huge one like this and I tie it and I wrap it around once just because it helps with my hair being so thick. So now what I'm going to do is put my hair in a ponytail. And when I put my hair in a ponytail, I kind of, I go back over it with the slick brush just to make sure that it's all getting into the ponytail like how I want it to. Now that it's in the ponytail, what I like to do, since I am using a straighter ponytail, I'm going to just braid this little poof right here. And then after I finish the braid, doesn't have to be neat or anything, I wrap it around like that. Take another band and tie it like this. All that does, whenever I put the ponytail on, it just helps it go on easier because my hair is really thick and I need that extra, I just need it. I need it. So now I'm gonna take this Got2b glue. I usually don't use Got2b glue, but I had to start using it simply for this ponytail. I get enough to fit on my finger, rub it in my hand, and I just put it over my hair, no special way. And this just gives me that extra hole and that extra slick back. Since the ponytail is straighter, I want it to be able to look like it's my hair. Like, I want it to be able to look good. Now I'm just gonna take this slick brush, slick it back some more. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our toothbrush, but if you don't use a toothbrush, you use like a different edge tool. That's cool, but I use toothbrush because it does the job, okay? So we're gonna take this, put a little bit of Eco Styler gel, just a little bit. Y'all saw that flame. And we're gonna start our edges. It takes a little minute because I'm very specific about my edges. And then I comb it back just to make sure that my hair is still slick. Take the toothbrush, add some Got2b glue on it, just a little bit, and then go back over the parts that I just made. So now this side is done. So I'm gonna take my brush and make sure that it's still slicked back, and it is. Basically what I do is I try to make a line just so I can see where I need to pull my edges out. So I try to pull this back a little bit just so I can see where I need to pull my edges out. So now that I do that, I just go ahead and I start pulling it out a little bit. So as you can see, you can kind of see now you can kind of see where I'm going to be pulling my edges, like how I'm going to be doing my edges. I start right here and I make a little swoop. Make a little swoop like that, super simple. And I basically just keep doing that until I get it to my liking. So now I'm going to take my slick brush and go ahead and slick it back. Wonderful. So now that I've done that, I'm done slicking my hair back. So what I usually do is I take my scarf and I tie it on my head. As you can see, there's makeup on my scarf because usually when I do this step, I go ahead and do my makeup for the day. But since I'm not doing my makeup, I'm not going to do that. But I am going to put this on just so it gives it an extra hold. So this is the ponytail right here. It's really nice quality, as you can see. I got it from the beauty supply store for like $12. The brand is sensational. It said it was made in Bangladesh. So if you know where that's at, or you're from Bangladesh, bang bang. Okay. Now that I let that sit, which I usually let it sit longer, but obviously I'm doing a video, so I'm not gonna let it sit that long. Wave check. So right now I look bald, but it's okay because we're about to make me not look bald. I always get ponytails that have a little string because we need that extra hold, boo boo. We do. So all I'm going to do is take this clip and this clip right here. The clip that has the tag obviously goes on the bottom. I had to say that because some people don't know. But I just take this clip and I'm going to clip it on top. Take the second clip and clip it on the bottom. Now once I do that little string that I showed y'all, I'm going to pull it really tight because we don't need no ponytails flinging around. So I'm going to pull it. Alright. So now that I have it pulled, I have this string right here. I'm going to wrap it around. I'm going to take a bobby pin and bobby pin it underneath the ponytail because we don't need no people seeing our strings, okay? What I'm about to do is take a piece of hair from the bottom, about this much. I'm gonna take it this much and wrap it around. And then all I'm going to do is take another bobby pin and bobby pin it where it stops. I'm going to take a few bobby pins and bobby pin the ponytail just so it has an extra hold. Like I said, we don't need no ponytails flying around. We don't got time for that. This is the final look right here. Well, if you made it this far, congrats. I hope all is good, like it should. Would you wrap it up? Of course, I'm about to. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Be you, stay beautiful, and I will see you next week. Cut.
Down with it. Are you down?